Good morning to everyone. I'm Dr. Sumi MS. The topic of my today's presentation is Basic Gates and Truth Table from Unit 1 Boolean Algebra and Logic Gates of Digital Logic Circuits and Design. On completion, the students will be able to differentiate between basic gates and derived gates and also be able to define the truth table and Boolean expression for different gates. Basic gates and truth table. Basic logic gates, which are the AND or NOT gates, are the fundamental digital circuits that perform logical operations on binary inputs with truth tables defining the output for all the input combinations. NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR gates are derived from these basic gates using 0 as low or off and 1 as high or on to represent different states. Basic gates. AND gate. Output is high or 1 only if all the inputs are high for that particular gate. And the expression is given as output y is equal to a dot b, where a and b are the inputs. OR gate. For an OR gate, output is high or 1 if at least one input of the gate is high. And its respective Boolean expression is y is equal to a plus b. NOT gate or inverter. This gate inverts the input. That is, if 0 is given as input, the output becomes 1, and if 1 is given as input, it becomes 0 at the output. And the Boolean expression is y is equal to a bar, where a is the input and y is the output. Derived gates. NAND gate, which is a NOT AND gate or inverse of AND gate. Output is 0 only if both the inputs are high. It is expressed as y is equal to inverse of a dot b. NOR gate. It is not of OR gate or inverse of OR gate. Output is 1 only if all the inputs are 0. It is expressed as y is equal to inverse of a plus b. XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. Output is 1 if inputs are different. It can be given as y is equal to a XOR b. And XNOR gate, exclusive NOR gate. Output is 1 if inputs are the same. Y is equal to a XNOR b. Truth table. A truth table is a fundamental tool that lists all possible input combinations for a logic gate and shows the corresponding output for each of the combination explained, using 1 as true or high for on state and 0 as false or low for off condition. So these are representing the different basic and derived gates, graphic symbol and their respective algebraic expression and truth table with inputs and outputs. Quiz questions on basic gates and truth table. List down the different basic logic gates. Write down the expression for derived gates with their respective truth table. Thank you.